from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
A new way to farm in Henrico, even if you don't have any land. And a shooting leaves a man dead in the county yesterday. We'll tell you about that and more in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Monday, February 20th, 2023. It's brought to you today by the law firm of Barnes & Deal.
And now for the news.
A community farm is coming to eastern Henrico. County officials have approved plans to host a farm on 20 acres of county-owned land in Varina. Discussion about the farm stemmed from the approval of the East-West Communities Arcadia development in Varina, January 24th. Local advocates had called for a 5 or 10 acre farm in the middle of that development. Varina Supervisor Tyro Nelson said he struggled with that idea because of zoning and logistical challenges, but he liked the idea of farming, and so he spoke with County Manager John Vitolkis. They came up with the idea to host a community farm on the 1,051 acre Runnymede tract that the county owns on Willis Church Road. County officials haven't figured out exactly what the next steps will be or how those 20 acres will be divided, but they expect to set criteria and open applications for residents who want to farm their own plots of land, according to Vitolkis. Depending upon the amount of interest from residents during the application process, officials might consider adding even more acres to the farm. The intent of a community farm is to provide a spot for those who don't have any farmable land of their own. This will be the first project of its type in Henrico County, according to Vitolkis. Then you can read much more about this effort right now on henricocitizen.com. A shooting yesterday evening in East Highland Park in eastern Henrico left one man dead. It happened shortly after 6:11 p.m. First responders to the scene in the 2100 block of Rudy Street, just off Mechanicsville Turnpike, south of Laburnum Avenue, found an adult male dead at the scene. The shooting happened in a residential area, so police are hoping that someone has surveillance footage or doorbell camera footage of the incident. If that's you, call police at 804-501-5000 or email them at police@henrico.us. You can also submit tips anonymously through Metro Richmond Crime Stoppers at 804-780-1000 or by using the P3 Tips app. The Henrico Education Foundation's third annual Excellence in Education dinner earlier this month raised more than $222,000 in funds for the organization. It drew more than 300 attendees and 36 business sponsors. The event was held at the Greater Richmond Convention Center February 9th. It was designed to celebrate those who invest in education. Guest speakers included Henrico School Superintendent Amy Cashwell, Robbins Foundation President and CEO Chris Chin, and Meta Community Development Regional Manager Kelly McCall, among others. And a reminder that you can find coverage of General Assembly topics right now on our website, henricocitizen.com, thanks to our partnership with the Capitol News Service. A reminder that we could use your help to ensure that our coverage remains free and available to everyone. We're trying to bring you the most comprehensive coverage of Henrico County available anywhere. If you'd like to pitch in a few bucks a month or more, we'd sure appreciate it. You can visit henricocitizen.com and click on the yellow button in the upper right-hand corner, Support the Citizen, to do so. And we thank you for that support. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Barnes & Deal. Barnes & Deal has emerged as a highly respected family law firm over the past 3 decades, with the resources, skills, and experience necessary to handle high-asset divorces and other complex family law matters across Virginia. To learn more, visit barnesfamilylaw.com, that's BARNES, or call 796-1000.